Hi, my name is Dr. Rigo Martin, and I've been in my practice now for six months approximately. I went to the Kohan Group to help me design my dream practice or office, and it was a unique situation where one of my colleagues and I built the practices. We used the same architects, which is Kohan, the same contractors, and we built them at the same time. It's unique because we share a space between the two offices that we share, and that helped us keep the cost down because we share quite a bit of equipment, and we were able to save 50% by not having our own equipment in our own offices. We were able to share an equipment room, a digital piano, a staff lounge, a bathroom for the patients and staff. And we're very happy. Kohan brought us forth with multiple designs that were very interested in our own personal styles, and our offices, even though we're built by the same person, are very different. And that's what we liked about Kohan, that every practice that he builds or designs is unique, and they brought together lots of ideas. We're open to our suggestions, listened, and I'm very happy with my practice. I have a wonderful view of Mount Diablo, which was important to me. I have nice spacious operatories, which is great. It's a nice modern design, and I'm very pleased that all the patients are coming in, and the feedback has just been so positive on how great and how modern the office looks. I'd recommend Kohan. They were great working with us. The cost was, I think, reasonable, and if I was to build a practice again, a new office, I would certainly recommend them or use them again as well. So I'm very pleased.